to see the grammar part first. Laboratory is the place, right? So it's noun. Discoveries. You can discover something, but discovery, RY, and discovery is no noun with S. You can collaborate with someone, V1. Destination, any word that ends with TION, no, it's your noun. Something can overlap with something, V1. You can polish something, and the polish also, noun and verb both. The polish of that wall or, of that door, something like that. Vicious is very person who is very cruel. Adjective. Vicious circle, you must have heard of it. Except people. When involved, you can involve somewhere. V1. So after 2, what we need is V1 here. It's very easy one. They is there. Where is your subordinate conjunction? I, we, you, they, verb with no S. So we need verb on its own form or verb with no S. We have 4 of them. Collaborate, involve, overlap, and polish. Here, it's very tricky, but I would like to talk about this one. Here, no. Astronomical observation subject have revealed is your one verb, and then have and revealed verb. The presence of dark matter and dark energy is your object. Now you will be saying there is no connector and comma, but that is the connector. Most of the time they write that before and then subject verb object, but sometimes so that they write subject, that and object. So you don't have to worry about it. That is connecting this whole sentence. This is the tricky type of sentence. So you will very rarely you will see this. You will rarely find this kind of sentences. So dash. So we need subject that challenge. Challenge is V1. So we need subject can be noun or pronoun. It cannot be pronoun because there is no pronoun in here. So noun with S. Why? Because of the subject verb agreement. If noun with S is there, then only verb on its own form. If it's challenges, then noun with no S. A knowledge of fundamental physics object. So we need noun with S. How many noun with S? We have only one. Without reading anything, we got our third one. This is the answer for this one. In today's reading theory in physics, dash, these all are your first subject, second subject. Energy so high, object. We need a verb here. Verb with verb on its own form. Why? Because if you see first subject is plural, so whenever it's plural subject, verb on its own form. No S. There's something, no, next to there we always need a noun. So it can be noun with no S or S. I think it will be noun with no S because S is already gone. Other noun we left with no S only. Now we just got one answer, discovery. Discovery. So this is done. This is gone. We need to find answers for these all 4. So before that, we need to understand what they are saying. And if you want to understand the tricky one, no, easy one, we just read and understand easily. Tricky one, always imagine. You imagine it will make sense. So new interdisciplinary, interdisciplinary. 2 disciplines, 2 fields, science and math, something like that. Or you can say, sorry, 2 different types of 2 different fields. So a new interdisciplinary center for study of the frontier of the universe they are talking about. And this is extra information quoted with comma. So you can read like this also. From the tiny subatomic particles to largest chain of galaxies has been formed at University of Texas as in Austin, or you can just don't read the extra information and read once all together, the whole sentence. A new interdisciplinary center for the study of the frontier of the universe has been formed at the University of Texas Austin. Now, like interdisciplinary center where from tiny subatomic particles to the largest, galaxies. Okay, not even things, galaxies you're talking about. This center, no, don't worry too much about the name of the university center or name of the professor. So this Texas center, which is located in Texas, no, this center will be a way for university's Department of Astronomy and Physics. They are talking about interdisciplinary center. What is interdisciplinary now? What field they are talking about? They are talking about astronomy. which deals with universe, galaxies, and all. Physics, we all know physics works with what? We all have learned physics when we were, like, when we were in 11th or 12th, and when we were in college. So this center will be a way for university's Department of Astronomy and Physics to dash on research that concern both of them. Dash on research which concern both of them. Involve on research which concern both of them, not making sense. Collaborate on research, yeah, makes sense. Overlap on research which concerns both of them, no. Polish on research, not making sense. These both interdisciplinary so that these two can collaborate on research which concerns both of them. Because physics also, quantum physics and all you must have heard, which is related to the astronomy. This center will bring two departments together. If they collaborate, then only it will become together in an area where they dash in physics of very early universe. So this center bring two departments together in area where they dash in physics, where they overlap in physics. So it's just like, this is astronomy and this is physics. So it is overlapping, especially in the physics part they're talking about. So this center will bring two departments together in area where they overlap will make sense. They polish in the physics not making sense. They involve in physics, you cannot involve in physics. You cannot polish. So overlap is the only answer if you're not getting it like that. They overlap in physics of very early universe. This person said, don't worry about this person. Astronomical observations have revealed the presence of dark matter and dark energy. So astronomical observations have revealed the presence of dark matter and dark energy, that challenge our knowledge of fundamental physics. Dash that challenge. What can challenge our knowledge of fundamental physics? Discoveries, nothing else. Laboratory cannot challenge our knowledge of fundamental physics. Destination can not only discoveries can challenge are fundamental of physics. And today's leading theories in physics dash energy so high that no earthbound particles accelerate can test them. Today's leading theories in physics dash. We need V1. What V1 we have? Polish energy so high, involve energy so high. No, the fourth one. Why? Because they are saying astronomical observations have revealed the presence of dark matter and dark energy. Discoveries that challenges our knowledge of fundamental physics. And today's leading theories in physics involve energy so high that it's a collocation also involves energy so high that no earthbound particle accelerator can test them. They need the universe as their dash. So they cannot test them. Okay. No earthbound particle accelerator can test them. So they need universe as their dash. Till then, this person, okay, called this a very excitement development. We don't know. So what they need? They need universe as they what? We need now destination or laboratory. I think laboratory to test something, right? We need lab to test something.